Oops. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan Carlo and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, this is another payment tutorial for you guys. So dahil nga meron akong account sa Home Credit, so today is magbabayad po tayo ng ating bills. So do not neglect all your bills guys, except kung nakalimutan mo na due mo pala kagaya ko. So, ayan, I'm gonna select here, Home Credit. I'm gonna tap Home Credit and then I'm gonna key in my due amount. So, monthly, meron akong binabayaran na 3,817 and I'm gonna key in my contract number 81. So, make sure guys na tama yung ating contract number dahil baka pumasok sa iba yung ating binayad. That's very ouchy. So, ayan. I'm gonna key in my email address. So, huwag na natin itap yung Bills Protect dahil yan. Okay na naman yan. As you can see kanina guys, wala akong GCash balance. So, meron na akong 12.31. And baka nagtataka kayo kung paano ko siya babayaran na ganun lang yung aking GCash balance. So, I'm gonna select guys my GGives dahil meron pa akong 4,000 allowable GGives na pwedeng gamitin. So, ayan, ito yung aking gagamitin. And I'm gonna tap next. Automatically guys, magbibigay si GGives ng amount na pwede mong bayaran for installment. And let me check kung magkano yung interest. So, dito sa 12 months guys, meron tayo 2K interest. So, yung first due date ko is a month. Usually guys, kapag gumagamit ako ng GGives, mostly talaga is pinipay in full ko siya. So, yung interest na nai-incur is bumabalik sa akin. So, most flexible is 12 months. So, I'm gonna key in 12 months and tap agree. So, lagay ko dito phone para lang meron tayong reference kung anong klaseng loan yan and pay GGives. Nakalimutan ko sabihin guys, meron palang fee na 15 pesos to kapag nagbabayad tayo sa Home Credit. And eto na guys, nakapagbayad na tayo ng ating first due date on March 23 daw. Yung hulugan natin, yung 510. So, wag na natin paabutin sa due guys. Bayaran na agad natin if meron tayong extra money para hindi na siya mag-incur ng interest. And I advise na bayaran mo siya in full dahil babalik sa iyo yung interest na pinatong niya sa atin. So, that's it for today's video guys. So, kung meron kayong problem sa babayarin, like sa Home Credit nyo, pwede muna tayong umutang kay GGives. So, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys did get something from me today. So, see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace!